Indian Progressive School welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to start quadratic equation exercise 4.3. For exercise 4.3 we have to do the quadratic formula. Okay, so what is quadratic formula? Let us see. See here, quadratic formula is the for ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have to find the value of x. Okay, for value of x, what we want the value. Before that you have done it by splitting method, but here I am just telling you finding the value of x by quadratic formula. And what is quadratic formula? Value of x can be determined by formula minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is known as quadratic formula or Sridharacharya formula. Okay, what is b here? B here is the value of this constant of x, and b square, the square of this. A and c are the values of x square, constant of x square, and c is the constant. A is the value of this. Okay, so one more thing for exercise 4.4, let me tell you one thing. What is that? Before that we have one value b. What is d? B square minus 4ac. This inside value of root. This is called the discriminant. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. If the value will come, if you will find from here, it will come 0. If the value of discriminant will come 0, so the roots of this equation will have equal roots. That means it will have a equal root. That means the value of x will be equal. Okay, what are the values of x? X have equal roots. That means we will write equal roots. Okay, so after that what will start? And if the value of this discriminant b square minus 4ac will calculate from here will come greater than 0. So it will have the real roots, 2 real roots. That means 2 real roots. That means the value of x will get positive values. And if we'll get the value of b is less than 0, that means negative value, the quadratic equation will have imaginary roots. Imaginary roots means no real roots, मतलब कि positive roots नहीं है, or we can say no real roots. Okay, so this is the basic things for the two exercises we are going to do. First, we have to just find by Sridharacharya formula or quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And where the discriminant b square minus 4ac, if this discriminant will come 0, so this equation will have equal roots. If it is greater than 0, it will have 2 distinct roots. It is less than 0, it will have no real roots. Okay, so this one we have to understand first. Let us start the exercise now. In exercise it will be known to you. Okay, it will be clear to you. So the first question of exercise 4.3 is first and second question I am combining together because second question is asked related to first question only. What is that? Question number 1 is find the roots of the quadratic equation by completing the square. And question number 2 is same equation is there by quadratic formula. So you have to find the roots of this equation by completing the square and second by quadratic formula. Okay? So there are two methods but the answer will come same. Okay, method you can apply any. So very first, this is the first part, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. I am just starting with completing the square. Okay, first I am just starting completing the square. So by first method, what is the method? Completing the square. Okay, completing the square. Now for completing the square, what we have to do? See, we have to take 2 common from this equation. Why 2 common? We have to make it 1. X square the component we have to make 1. Okay, so let us make the component of x is 1. Now take 2 common. So what will get? X square minus 7 upon 2x plus 3 upon 2 equals to 0. How it came? You know, 2 common means here 2 is not here. See the equation we can written as 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. If we have to take 2 common, but 2 is not here and 2 is not here. So how we can take common? Here I can multiply it by 2 and divide by 2. So there will be no effect in the equation. Same way here I can multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. Okay. So now I can take 2 common. If I take 2 common from this, it will become x square minus this 2 common. So 7 upon 2x plus 2 common 3 upon 2 equals to 0. Got? So like this we have to take the common. Okay. Whenever you are taking anything common, you have to just multiply the remaining terms by that if there is not that term. So now what we have to do? This is always the second term, x term is always 2ab. ये हमेशा 2ab होता है, ठीक है? x minus a whole square और x minus b whole square, any you are taking. So this is 2ab term. Okay. So what we have to take? A square. A square means x square plus b square. This is minus 2ab. So it will be a minus b whole square formula. Okay. Completing the square means completing the square. Square बनाना है ऐसे. तो a minus b whole square बनाना है सिर्फ इन दो terms से. और 3 upon 2 हम पीछे remaining we will left. So this is a square, ये 2ab और b square we don't have. तो b square we have to write ourselves. Okay. So a square minus 2ab. 2 a की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? x और b की जगह ऐसे term लिखेंगे. So we will get 7 upon 2x. Okay. x we got. Okay. 7 upon 2 we got. 7 यहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा. Upon 4 we will write. Now calculate 2 to the 4. 7 upon 2x. Will get this? तो हमारे पास b क्या आ गया? 7 upon 4. a square minus 2ab. Okay. So now make the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. B square means 7 upon 4 whole square. So if we are adding this extra here, so same thing we have to subtract also for the equation will not change. Okay. तो इतना ही minus भी कर देंगे. Then 7 square 7 upon 4 whole square plus 3 upon 2 we was already having equals to 0. Clear this much? How we have done the completing this square? Very first we have to make this x square term 1. So there is 2 extra, we have to take 2 common. So we have taken 2 common, we got x square minus 7 upon 2x plus 3 upon 2 equals to 0. फिर क्या करना है? 2 terms we have to take together और ये constant को अलग कर लेना है. This is 7 upon 2x, तो ये हमेशा 2ab होता है, but it is minus, तो a minus b whole square बनेगा हमारा. तो a square minus 2ab plus b square में फाइंड करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? a square minus 2 a की जगह x, b की जगह ऐसा लिखना है. So we will get, by solving this whole we will get 7 upon 2x. तो हम 7 लिखेंगे because in numerator 7 is there, in denominator 2 is here. अगर 2 लिखते हैं तो 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. We have to write 4. तो 7 upon 4 will be b. तो आप इसको completing the square complete you do. A square plus b square minus 2ab. B square is extra here, so you will just subtract the same amount. Plus 3 upon 2 was already here equals to 0. Up to here it is clear. Now we are proceeding to the next step. Let us start the next step now. So we had till here. Now we have to solve this a minus b whole square. So we will write x minus in the place of b 7 upon 4 whole square. So how much we have just done? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This much we have taken as a square. This is called the completing the square method. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now what is left? Whatever is left, you send it that side. Okay. So I am sending it this side. Plus will become, minus will become positive. 7 square, 7 upon 4 whole square. This will become negative minus 3 upon 2. Solve it. X minus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to 7 7s are 49 upon 4 4s are 16 minus 3 upon 2. Then x minus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to take 16 LCM, 49 minus 8 you will do, so 8, 24. Okay, so x minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equals to 5 and 2, 25 upon 16. Then square you will send that side, it will become square root. So you will get x minus 7 upon 4 whole square, you will send that side, square root of 25 upon 16. What you will get? So we are getting x minus 7 upon 4 equals to 5 upon 4. This you will send this side. So x equals to 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4. 7, 12 upon 4. So 12 upon 4 means 4 3s are 12. So value of x you are getting 3. But here one mistake we have done. What? Whenever we are opening the square root, the value will come plus minus. Keep in mind, whenever we are opening the square root, it will come plus minus. So when we are taking plus 5 upon 4, so it is coming 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4. And when we are taking this minus 5 upon 4, so what will get? See, I am taking minus 5 upon 4. So take x minus 7 upon 4 equals to, now I am taking minus 5 upon 4. Solve it, so you will get x is equals to minus 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4. So the answer you will get 2 upon 4. So that means 1 upon 2. So two values you are getting of x because it is quadratic equation, 3 and 1 upon 2. So the value of x is 3 and 1 upon 2. Okay. This is the answer by completing the square. If any step is missed, revise the video and see how to do the completing the square. When we will do the second question, then also we will revise the same thing, so it will be perfectly known to you how to do. Okay, make a practice of this. Now what we have to do? Now we have to just find the same value of x by using quadratic formula. Okay, now I am using quadratic formula in the same first part. Okay, let us start the same thing. Now see here, now I am using the quadratic formula. Okay, what is quadratic formula? So before that I am finding the discriminant. Okay, b square minus 4ac, find the discriminant. Let us find that what are the roots here, which type of roots will get. Okay, same way as we have done the previous one, the same 1 upon 2 and 3 answer we are getting, that are real roots. इसका मतलब discriminant value should come greater than 0. What is a here? A is 2. What is b here? Minus 7. What is c here? Plus 3. Okay, put the value in this. D is equals to b square minus 7 square minus 4 into a into c. So you will get 49. This will become positive. Minus 3 to the 6, 6 4 the 24. So you are getting 5 and 2, 25. It is greater than 0. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? How many roots you will get? Which type of roots you will get? You will get the real roots. Two distinct real roots. Okay, distinct and real roots. So now I am finding by quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula. Now find the value of x. What will be the value of x? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is quadratic formula. Learn it by heart. Is minus, what is the value of b? b is minus 7. Okay, keep in bracket minus 7 because it is negative. Plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac value we have already calculated. What it comes? 25 it's coming. 25 whole divided by 2 into a. What is the value of a? 2. So what the value of x we will get? Minus minus plus 7 plus minus, this will become 5 divided by 4. Once you take the positive sign and second time you take the negative sign. So first value of x is equals to 7 plus 5 upon 4 and second value of x will be 7 minus 5 upon 4. Okay, so from here it will become 7, 12 upon 4, that means it will come 3, and from here 2 upon 4 it will come 1 upon 2. Okay, so that means the two values of x you will get 3 and 1 upon 2. The same answer is there which we are getting from completing the square. What does it mean? It means that you are applying any of the method, the answer will come same. Okay, so this is quadratic formula method. Let us do the second part also, so that it will be more clear to you very easily. Okay, let us start the next part of it. Let's take the second part. The second part is 2x square plus x minus 4. We have to solve it by completing the square, using completing the square, and by using quadratic formula. Okay, first I am taking the first method by completing the square. What should I do? I have to take 2 common, so because we have to take the coefficient of x square as 1. Okay, so I am taking 2 common, so see, it is x square plus, now 2 upon 2 you will write here, 2 common, so it will become x upon 2, minus 2 is already common, so you will get 2 equals to 0. 2 you will send this side, 0 upon 2 is 0, so what you will get? X square plus x upon 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now I told you, for completing the square, you have to take only first 2 terms, and this you have to send this side, the another side. So a square plus this is x term, 2ab term. Okay. So a plus b whole square it will form, because it is plus. So this is 2ab. Okay. So now I am making a square plus 2ab. What should I write in the place of b? So I will get x upon 2. X is already here. 2 I want in numerator. So I have to write 1 upon 4. So 2 to 2 cancel. X upon 2 will get 2ab. So a square plus b. B is 1 upon 4. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. But this b we are writing extra. This is not in the equation. So we have to subtract also the same thing. Minus 1 upon 4 whole square. And minus 2 is already here, so we'll get 0. Now I'm taking 1, 2, 3, these 3 terms, so what we'll get? X plus 1 upon 4 whole square, and these 2 terms I have to send that side, 1 upon 4 whole square plus 2. Okay, so now x plus 1 upon 4 whole square is equals to 1 upon 16 plus 2 upon 1. Take LCM this side, x plus 1 upon 4 whole square equals to 16. 1 plus 16 to the 32. So this I got 33 upon 16. Now send the square this side, it will become square root. So I am writing here, see, x plus 1 upon 4 is equals to square root of 33 upon 16. So x plus 1 upon 4 you will get is equals to square root, if you will open, plus minus you will get, but square root of 33 you will not get. So square root of 33 you will write as it is, and square root of 16 you will get 4 4s are 16. Okay, but plus minus is compulsory to write. Now very first I am taking plus sign. So x is equals to plus root 33 upon 4, send 1 upon 4 this side, minus 1 upon 4. The value of x will be 4 common. So I can take 1 in front, or I can write root 33 minus 1 upon 4. This is the first value of x. Then if I will take minus, and x plus 1 upon 4 equals to minus root 33 upon 4. 1 by 1 I am taking both the sign. So x is equals to minus root 33 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. This I am sending this side. So if you take the LCM, minus root 33 minus 1, or you can write it like this also, minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. These are the 2 roots of the equation. This we have done by completing the square. Same thing we are doing by quadratic formula. Now how we'll do? See the thing. We are getting this answer. Now I am using quadratic equation. So what is the value of a here? 2, value of b here plus 1, and value of c here minus 4. I am finding very first the discriminant. If you want to find the discriminant, find it. Otherwise you can find directly. See, value of x is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is quadratic formula. Put the values in this formula. You will get the value of x minus b plus 1 plus minus root of b square. 1 square 1 minus 4, a is 2, c is minus 4. Keep in bracket, divided by 2 into a is 2. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 minus minus plus 4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32 upon 4. So you will get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root of 33 upon 4. Got the same answer? That means x is equals to minus 1 once we will take positive value plus 33 upon 4, and second time we will take negative value minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. The same answer you was getting in the previous question also. Okay, this is clear. So this was the second part. Let us quickly start the third part of this. Okay, now the third part I am using first the completing the square. So I am taking 4 common. Okay, so because I have to take it 1, x square plus 4 common, this will become root 3 plus 4 common, that means multiplied by 4 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 you will get equals to 0. 4 you will send this side, so x square plus root 3 plus 3 upon 4 equals to 0. Now how you have to do? I am taking this is x. Okay, sorry, this is 4 root 3 x. Okay, so now this is root 3x. So I have to take these two. So what we'll get? This will become a plus b whole square. Why it will become a plus b whole square? Because plus 2ab is, this is 2ab, this is positive. So a plus b whole square. Okay. So a square plus 2ab. 2 in the place of ax. In the place of b we have to write that term. So it will become root 3x. Okay. So in the numerator root 3 is here, but here is not root 3. So I am writing root 3. Okay. But denominator nothing is there, so this 2 I am writing in denominator, 2 to 2 cancel. So root 3x will get, okay, a square plus 2ab. So b we are getting this plus b square. So same thing, you will subtract root 3 upon 2 whole square and plus 3 upon 4 was already here, 0. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 we will take. So this will become a plus root 3 upon 2 whole square. A plus b whole square. These two terms we have to send this side. Root 3 upon 2. Root 3 square is 3. 2 2s are 4. And this will sending this side minus 3 upon 4. This will become 0. So x plus root 3 upon 2 whole square equals to 0. Square root of 0. If you send it this side, plus minus. So you will get plus minus 0. Okay. So when we are taking plus 0. Okay. So that means x is equals to plus 0 minus root 3 upon 2. When we are taking minus 0, so minus 0 minus root 3 upon 2 minus or plus 0 is 0. So again you will get minus root 3 upon 2. So you are getting two values of x. Both are the same values. Minus root 3 upon 2 and minus root 3 upon 2. Okay. This is completing the square. Now I am doing the same question by using quadratic formula. Okay. Let us use the quadratic formula. Now, the third part using quadratic formula, what is a here? 4. What is b here? Plus 4 root 3. And what is c here? 3. Okay. What is quadratic formula? X is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If before this I want to find discriminant b square minus 4ac, that also I can find. So simply we can put the value of this in that. So we'll get the equation. Okay. So very first, let me tell you, I'm finding the discriminant very first. Okay. So let us find the discriminant very first. The meaning is same. It's up to you. You want to find in which manner. Okay. So I'm finding the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So what is b? 4 root 3 but whole square minus 4. A is 4. C is 3. So 4 4s are 16 and root 3 square is 3. 16 3s are 48. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. What is the value of discriminant is coming? 0. So whenever I told you in this video only, in the starting, whenever the discriminant is 0, both the root of the equation will come equal. And right now you have seen both were coming equal. Answer, okay, the value of x. So now I am just finding the value by quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, using quadratic formula, you will write the statement, okay, divided by 2a. So minus b, what is b? This 4 root 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, you got 0. Divided by 2 into a. What is a? 4. So you will get minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 8. Once I'm taking plus 0, then I'll take minus 0. Okay. So the two values of x will be minus 4 root 3 upon 8, comma, when plus 0 I'm taking, when minus 0 I'm taking minus 4 root 3 upon 8, because plus 0 and minus 0 meaning is same. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So minus 3 root 2 comma minus 3 root 2. The same result we got when we use completing the square. Okay. So these are your three parts by both the method, completing the square and quadratic formula. Question number 1 and 2. Both we have completed. One more part is left, the fourth part that I am leaving for you. You will do in the same manners how I explained you the three parts. Okay. Only one part I left for you, so that you have to do with your own. Okay. So here I am just finishing and completing this video here only. The next questions I will start in next video. So till then, keep on practicing. Bye bye, and most important, do like and share the video. Keep on practicing. Till then, bye bye.